Etsy has been the choice of sellers selling handicrafts and art decor items for a long time now. Sellers like you are always looking for a better and smarter way to hack into Etsy's system. With more than 600 million revenue generated alone in 2018, Etsy is booming on success. Here are a few less familiar tips and tricks that will surely help you boost your sales over Etsymarketplace. When it's about retaining the trust of your buyers, having a potential social media presence can be really helpful. So, add your social media account links over your product images to earn more customer trust. Who doesn't like free stuff? Sellers have been giving their buyers free shipping and have been earning good fortunes over Etsy. And now, with Etsy's first page preference to the free shipping, this bait has been proven quite beneficial. The ever-known Etsy SEO has been helping sellers in ranking their products over the Etsy search results. Well, using keywords that determine your buyer's intent can be helpful in expanding your product's reach. We all know about Pinterest that serves aesthetics, and now its use in e-commerce is also not that rare. So, try looking for keywords from Pinterest search and add them to your product titles and descriptions to rank even higher. The checkout process has always been a question mark for the buyers. You can solve the puzzles going on in their head by providing multiple payment options over Etsy. Well, there are many more ways with which you can surely boost your sales and product reach over Etsymarketplace. Read our blog piece 17 less familiar Etsy tips and tricks to boost Etsy sales. Happy Etsying to you.